Welcome to the Mystery Fruit Flavor Challenge. Get ready for a fun, uplifting game where you guess the tropical snack and discover its amazing health benefits. Here's how it works. You'll see colourful mystery clues, then you get 10 seconds to guess the fruit. After the timer, we'll reveal the answer and one powerful health benefit. Ready? Let's jump into round one. This tropical treat is golden, juicy and super sweet. People call it the king of fruits. It's often blended into smoothies and tastes like sunshine in a slice. Picture a bright yellow-orange fruit that feels like a mini vacation for your taste buds. Take a moment and make your guess. Time's up. The mystery fruit is mango. Mangoes are packed with vitamin C and vitamin A, which help support glowing skin and a strong immune system. They're a delicious way to add colour, sweetness and nutrition to your day. This fruit looks like it's wearing a spiky crown. It's tangy, tropical and juicy. You might find it on pizza, in fruit salads or grilled at a barbecue. Imagine a fruit that's bright, bold and full of zing. What do you think it is? The answer is pineapple. Pineapple contains an enzyme called bromelain, which can help your body digest protein and may ease inflammation. It's a refreshing way to support your digestion and add a little sparkle to your meals. This snack comes with its own natural wrapper. It's creamy and sweet, perfect on cereal, in smoothies, or just on its own. Athletes often eat it before or after a workout for steady energy. Picture a soft, curved fruit that you peel before you eat. Have your answer ready. The mystery fruit is banana. Bananas are rich in potassium, which helps support healthy blood pressure and keeps your muscles and nerves working properly. They're a simple grab-and-go snack that gives you fuel to keep moving. Round 4. This little fruit looks brown and fuzzy on the outside, but inside it's a bright green starburst with tiny black seeds. It's sweet and slightly tart, and often used to decorate fruit tarts and desserts. Think of a small fruit that surprises you with its colour when you slice it open. Make your guess now. If you guessed kiwi, you're right. Kiwis are loaded with vitamin C even more than many oranges, and they also provide fibre. Together, that helps support your immune system and keeps your digestion running smoothly. Round 5. This fruit has soft orange flesh and a centre full of shiny black seeds. Its flavour is mild, sweet and tropical, and it's often served with a squeeze of lime on top. Imagine a smooth, buttery fruit that feels like a gentle tropical breeze. What tropical snack do you think this is? The answer is papaya. Papaya contains papain, a natural enzyme that helps your body break down proteins and may support smooth digestion. It also offers vitamin C and antioxidants that help protect your cells from everyday stress. Round 6. This fruit looks like it came from a fantasy world. On the outside, it's hot pink with green scale-like leaves. Inside, it's usually white with tiny black seeds and has a light, refreshing taste. Picture a fruit that looks almost like a piece of art. What's your guess? If you said dragon fruit, also known as pitaya, you got it. Dragon fruit is a good source of fiber and contains antioxidants that help your body fight oxidative stress. It's a fun, colourful way to support your gut health and overall wellness. Round 7. Final round. This tropical classic grows on tall palm trees by the beach. It has a hard brown shell, white flesh, and refreshing clear liquid inside. You might drink its water, cook with its milk, or use the shredded flesh in desserts. Imagine cracking it open and hearing the sound of the ocean. Last chance to guess. The final mystery fruit is coconut. Coconut water provides electrolytes like potassium, which help keep you hydrated, especially when you're active. The white flesh contains healthy fats that can give you longer-lasting energy when enjoyed in balance. And you did it. From mangoes and pineapples to bananas, kiwis, papayas, dragon fruit and coconuts, each tropical fruit brings its own flavour of health: vitamins, minerals, fibre, natural enzymes, hydration, and more. Colourful fruits don't just taste amazing, they support your body in quiet, powerful ways every single day. Next time you reach for a snack, remember this challenge. Choosing a piece of fruit can be a simple act of self-care. It can brighten your plate, boost your mood, and gently move you toward a healthier you. Thanks for playing the Mystery Fruit Flavor Challenge. Guess the tropical snack and health benefits. If you enjoyed this quiz, share it with a friend, family member, or class, and create your own real-life taste test. Stay curious, stay colourful, and stay healthy. See you next time.
Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you for visiting our channel. Don't forget to visit our online merchandise shops. The link is in the channel description. Remember, learn something every day. Please check out our other videos. We will see you in the next one.